Mariana. Hi, Mariana. No.
Funky year as he pulls back the bun right there. But talk to most lefties and they say
Mariana's in my room. Hi, Mariana. Mariana.
You got it, Cal?
Got what?
Mariana?
Yeah. Mariana's turning the pages by herself.
Yeah, she wants you to read to her?
I don't know. Mariana. Mariana.
What you doing, gal?
She's looking at her book and walking around.
Where are you going? Princess, Mama? Hi, Princess, Mama?
It was amazing. Maybe the $350 million man will come through now.
if you get a good fastball here, rip.
Hurt me. Lobster. Hi, Princess, I miss you. Princess? Mama, the mommy?
So I won't tell you what's happening. I already did. Oh no.
Second home game for his new team. And he gets the back door. Straight balls. You throw a fastball for a strike and you back throw a slider. All speed. Beautiful pitch.
Open shut.
Finish it.
Open shut. Open shut. Open shut. La la la. Open shut.
And he misses with the changeup, and now it's
She's
straight.
walking all the way now.
Rasmus will learn in the future. 2-2 there. Fastball. Breaking ball if you get to 3-2.
So now what are you doing?
Where are you
Nice.
going now? Going back to the room again? Mariana?
True friend.
Let's say whatever you put a 2 into is what you feel is
Mariana.
But when Marte had to retreat, easy for Jake to get the up on top of the stadium. Gare above the left field scoreboard, flowing out to central. Those flags are deceptive right there. The flags above the stadium.
I love you, Mariana. Great, you're doing great with your walking. No. You don't touch that. That's dangerous.
he's one of the better athletes on the field. He's got what they give himself.
I mean, he had 2 hits, struck on a run in his first start. His shutout ball for 6. He had the audacity to give him a run today, so he's got to figure out a way to get it back. Good time for Michael to break out right here. Another big chance. Struck out with a runner at third in the first inning. Devil was at first. Reyes fielders on the right side, but short enough.
Mariana. Don't touch that.
Drive a steam wire through that left side of the infield. Cruise line.
Mariana. No. She's looking at her book again. Hi, Mariana. Where's Mariana? Peekaboo, there you are. Mariana. All right, I'm going to turn this off now. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, Mariana. I love you.